Hi everyone, welcome back for the new session on Central Administration of Healthcare Delivery System. I am Beulah Dollars, HOD of Community Health Nursing, Trippuram College of Nursing. In this sessions, we are going to learn about the meaning of three-tier system of healthcare delivery system administration and the main official organs which comes under the central level, and also we are going to learn about the functions of each department which comes under the central healthcare delivery system. Health is the birthright of every individual. Today, health is considered more than a basic human right. It has become a matter of public concern, national priority, and also political action. Our health system has traditionally been disease-oriented, but current trend is to emphasize health and its health promotion. What is three-tier system in healthcare delivery system? So this administration starts from the central, state, and the local administration is called district. So these three steps or three places where we are planning about the healthcare delivery system, it is called three-tier system. At the central level, we have three main departments, that is MOH and FW, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and DGHS, the Directorate General of Health Services, and CCH and FW, that is Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. These are the three main offices comes under the central administration of healthcare delivery. This is the ladder of three departments which comes under the central level. Ministry of Health Department headed by the Cabinet Minister Sri Mansukh Mandavia, and the Minister of State Dr. Subramanian, and the Deputy Health Ministers. So they are the in charge of this Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Departments. Currently, under this Union Health Ministry has the following departments, that is Department of Health, Department of Family Welfare, and also Department of ISM and Homeopathy. This is the organization of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So central government, so under this Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, then Cabinet Minister, Ministry of the State, Ministry of, that is Deputy Health Ministers. So under that we have three departments, that is Department of Medical and Public Health, Department of Family Welfare, Department of ISMS. This Department of Medical and Public Health will be headed by the Secretary to Government of India. He will be assisted by Joint Secretaries, Deputy Secretaries, and they have the separate administrative team. And for Department of Family Welfare, that also headed by the Secretary to Government of India, and he will be assisted by Additional Secretary, Joint Secretary, Commissioner of Family Welfare, and they have the separate administrative wing. And the Department of ISM, this is headed by Secretary to Government of India, and he will be assisted by the Assistant Secretary and two Joint Secretary. Also they have the separate administrative staff. Under Ministry of Health, we have Department of Health. So in this Department of Health will be headed by the Secretary. At present, we have Sri Vaibhav Bajaj. He is the Secretary, Health Secretary at central level. And he will be assisted by Joint Secretaries, Deputy Secretaries, and a large administrative staff. This Ministry of Health functions we can divide it into two forms, that is Union List and Concurrent List. Under this Union List, international health relations and administration of port quarantine, administration of central health institutions, promotion of research through research centers and other bodies like ICMR, regulations and development of medical, nursing, and other allied health professionals like AIMS, establishment and maintenance of drug standards, census and collections and publications of other statistical data, immigrations and immigration, regulations of labor in the working of mines and oil fields. Under the concurrent list, the functions listed under the concurrent list are the responsibility of both the union and the state governments. They are the follows: prevention of extensions of communicable disease from one unit to another, prevention of adulterations of foodstuffs, control of drugs and poisons, vital statistics, labor welfare, ports, economic and social health planning, and population control and family planning. This next department is Department of Family Welfare. It was created in 1966 within the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Secretary to the Government of India in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is in overall charge of the Department of Family Welfare. He is assisted by an additional secretary and commissioner and one joint secretary. Under this department, they have the separate divisions, that is for program appraisal and special scheme. Technical operations like looks after all components of the technical programs, example sterilization, IUD, postpartum maternal and child health, immunization, etc. MCH maternal and child health care also, evaluation and intelligence, helps in planning, monitoring and evaluating the program performance and coordinate demographic research, family planning, equipments, marketing, supply and distributions. Functions of family welfare departments are to organize family welfare programs, to create an atmosphere of social acceptance of the program, and to support all voluntary organizations, to educate every individual to develop a convictions that a small family size is valuable, and to popularize method of family planning, to disseminate the knowledge on the practice of family planning. The next department is ISM. It was established in March 1995 and had continued to make steady progress. Most of the functions of this ministry are implemented through an autonomous organization called DGHS. Functions of ISM departments are educations regarding Ayush, standardization of Ayush drugs, enhancement of availability of raw material to prepare Ayush medications, research and development, information education and communications, involvement of ISM and homeopathy in national healthcare. The second main official organization is Director General of Health Services. So here Mr. Ajay Bakshi, he is the DGHS and the principal advisor to the Union government in both medical and public health matters. He is assisted by a team of deputies and a large administrative staff. The directorate comprises of three main units, that is medical care and hospitals, public health and general administration. This is the organogram of Directorate General of Healthcare Services. The general functions of DGHS are survey, appraisal, planning, programming and coordinations of national health programs and related policies. Specific functions of DGHS are international health relations and quarantine, control of drug standards, medical store depots, postgraduate training, medical education, medical research, central government health schemes, and also National Health Programs, Central Health Education Bureau, Health Intelligence, and Medical Research Library. So under this, main officials of central government, first one is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, second one is DGHS, and now we are going to see about the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare, CCHNFW. So Constitution of India for promoting coordinated and concerted action between the centre and the states in the implementation of all the programs and measures pertaining to the health of the nations through the Central Council of Health. So Union Health Minister will be the chairperson, State Health Ministers will be the member of the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. Let's see the functions of CCHW. To consider and recommend broad outlines of policy related to matters concerning health like environment, hygiene, nutrition and health education. To make proposals for legislation relating to medical and public health matters. To make recommendations to the central government regarding distribution of grants and aid. So far we have discussed about three-tier system of central administration. main departments which is comes under healthcare delivery system at the central level, that is Ministry of Health, DGHS and CCH from FW, and the functions of each department as union and the concurrent list or specific functions of each department. I hope you have understood about the central administration of healthcare delivery system. Let me see you in new sessions with a new topic. Thank you.